23rd, which means we are on day 22 of math, and we are continuing with multiplication today. I have our couple of examples on the board. We'll start with this one on top. I have 3 groups, and how many counters do I have in each group? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I have 3 groups. We can circle up. Now, remember how I write this? My first number is the number of groups I have. So 1, 2, 3, I have 3 groups of 7. There are 7 in each group. 3 times 7 equals what? Remember, when I do this, I have 3 groups of 7. I'm just adding all my numbers together. I'm just adding my 7 3 times. So 7 plus 7 plus 7. Let's do the math. 7 plus 7 is what? Shout it out. 14. Very good. Now I have to add this 7 plus 7 more. So we can, there's a couple ways to do it. We could stack it like this. 14 plus 7. You can work it that way. Or you can pop 14 in your head and count up 7 times. So let's pop 14 in. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 14 plus 7 more is 21. So 3 groups of 7 is 21. 3 times 7 is 21. Now we can check that by going back and counting all of our counters. So let's check our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Good job, guys. We got the right answer. All right, moving down here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. We can go ahead and circle those up. Now, how many do I have in each group? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. 4 is my first number. 4 groups of, how many is in each group? 6. 4 times 6. 4 groups of 6 equals, now remember, I'm just going to keep adding. Multiplication is addition, repeated addition. Okay, so I put a plus because I'm going to add 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. We know that 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 6. 12 plus 6 more, pop 12 into your head and count up 6. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I've got one more. I just used that one. I'll point that down. That way you'll know you've used it. I need to add. So bring that down. Bring this down. 18 plus 6. Pop 18 in your head. 18, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 4 groups of 6 is 24. 4 times 6 is 24. Now to check that, we can just go back and count all of our counters. So let's check our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Good job, guys. All the right answers. All right, while I erase this, if you want to look in your packet for page number 147, it has a 147 right down there in the corner. If you can get your hands on it, that is great. If not, you can do it later. Just follow me on the board right now. If you have it, though, go ahead and take it out. You can even pause the video while you go look for it if you would like to do that too. Page 147. And it looks like this. Alright, for this top part, it says to match, okay? So it's given us 3 things on top, 3 things in the center, and 3 things on the bottom, and we're going to match these all up with what we have learned. So we know that 4 sixes is the same as 4 is our first number, and 4 sixes is 4 groups of 6. So 4 sixes is the same as 4 times 6. Now we have 5 groups of 7, that doesn't match it. Multiply 4 times 6, that looks pretty close. Let's check our last one. 3 groups of 2, that doesn't have a 3 or a 2. So 4 sixes is the same as 4 times 6, which is the same as multiply 4 and 6. Remember that X stands for groups of, and it also means multiply. So when we see the X, we know that we are going to multiply, and we know that it means groups of. So 4 sixes is 4 times 6, which means multiply 4 and 6. 5 sevens. Well, 3 times 2 doesn't have a 5 or a 7. 5 sevens is 5, our first number is the same, times 7. 5 sevens, 5 times 7, or 5 groups of 7. And this actually says 5 groups of 7, so we know that one matches there. And our last one, 3 twos, is the same as 3 times 2, and 3 groups of 2. 3, X equals multiply, which also means groups of, 3 groups of 2. Alright, complete the multiplication sentences. I'm going to do the first one with you, and then I'm going to let you do the next one all by yourself, because I know you can do it, alright? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bunnies here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bunnies here, okay? So we have how many groups? Let's count our groups. 1, 2. We have 2 groups of 5, okay? And we remember this X means multiply, and it stands for groups of. So how many groups do I have? 1, 2. 2 groups of, how many is in each group? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 groups of 5 equals 10. Well, let's count and see if they got the right answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Absolutely. 2 groups of 5 equals 10. So you're going to do the same thing here with this one. The first number is going to be how many groups you have. How many groups you have times how many in each group. So you're going to count how many little, looks like little worms or snakes. So you're going to count first how many groups you have, and then how many worms or snakes or whatever that is in the group, okay? That's our math lesson for today. Short and sweet. Have a great afternoon, guys.